are you all my dear students? I am fine. I hope you are well. Very thanks all my dear students. You subscribe my channel, watch my videos, like and shares. I start up new assignment today. EXP 25 Excel chapter number 4 mid level 2 Riverwood realities instruction. If you any kind of assignment, you Excel, Word, PowerPoint, accounting, finance and other exams, you contact me please WhatsApp and emails. Start now. Question number 1. I increase the word and color change because you understand the better word. Start Excel, download, open the file names exp 25 Excel chapter number 4 mid level 2 homes. Creator has automatically add your last name to the beginning of the file name. Dears, you first downloading the file, but I already this file is downloading. You contact this. Question number 2. Start now. Freeze the pane so that the columns label do not scroll off screen. Freeze the panel so that the columns freeze. Freeze the and question number 2 is complete, and question number 3 start now. I increase the word and color change. Convert the data to a table and name the table sale. Convert the data to a tables. Convert the data to a tables. It's okay. Sorry. Data tables. It's okay. Sales I paste in. Question number 3 is finally complete, and question number 4 start now. Apply purples table style dark 10 to the tables. Apply purples table style dark 10 to the tables. sorry, return to tables. It's okay. Question number 4 is complete. Start now. Question number 5. Question number 5. Remove duplicate record from the table. Excel should find remove 8 duplicate record. Duplicate. Okay. 8 duplicate values found and remove 81. Okay. Question number 6. Question number 6. Color change. Add a new column in columns I names day on markets. Use in unqualified instruction reference to calculate the date. Calculate date on markets. Sale date minus listing date in columns. Set column with width to 14s with 14. Add a new columns in the columns I need day on markets. It's okay. Day on markets. Okay. Day on markets. Minus enter. It's okay. All dear students, question number 6 is complete. Very thanks.